Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a couple items from Walmart, some simple green items and some towels. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll show you guys what I'm using them for. And I've already used it, so I'll give you my thoughts real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, how's it going? So I picked up a couple items from Walmart. I happened to be in Coolidge to pick up some tools from O'Reilly's, and I figured I'd stop because I needed to degrease something, and I wanted to see how Simple Green worked, how well Simple Green worked. More than likely down the road, I did get a concentrated Simple Green spray bottle, and I got a 1 gallon of Simple Green concentrate, and then I got 2 packs, 18 packs of little washcloths, which I already took 2. So here's the complete pack right here, and I took 2 of them out of this guy already, which are the 2 sitting right here. It's a white and a green one. I did already use this bottle. This spray bottle, it was up here, which I didn't use much, but it says all-purpose cleaner. I figured I'd give it a try. It does say it works on automotive stuff. Grease, oil, food residue, dirt, soot, grime, fingerprints, automotive fluids, wet paint, dust, air pollutants, and more. From painted wood, stone, aluminum, glass, stainless steel, canvas, fiberglass, tiles, ceramic, concrete, brick, fabric, rubber, plastic, and other water-safe surfaces. Simple Green, it works. It says heavy duty, full strength, 1-to-1 dilution, half cup Simple Green, half cup water. So 1 cup Simple Green, 1 cup water. General purpose use, up to 1 and 1.10 dilution. 1 1/10 of a dilution. 1 ounce Simple Green, 1 cup water. 1 to 30 dilution, 1 ounce Simple Green plus 2 cups water. Light cleaning, general purpose, heavy duty. I used it straight out the bottle, concentrate bottle. This stuff, I have noticed by using it, it does not take off paint, which is nice. I have a bottle, that mostly used bottle of Super Clean right here. This bottle I did buy, the bottle that Super Clean sent me. I have not touched yet, but I do know that Super Clean will take out of a rubber 40-gallon water bucket. It will take out algae and slime and a bunch of other stuff with just a couple sprays. Scrub it with a scrub brush, and it comes right out. Super Clean, in my opinion, when it comes to cleaning like my dog's water bucket, which is made of like 1-inch thick rubber. This stuff works way better than the brand and solution called the Works, which is a toilet bowl cleaner. But out of all the things I've tried to clean the algae and everything out of that, the Works was the best item to clean that algae and slime and everything else out of my dog's water bucket, until I came to using the Super Clean. So I might, after I let my dog's water bucket get slimy again and build up some algae, I might do a test between the Simple Green and Super Clean, as well as Purple Power. I do have a couple different Purple Powers. There's a Purple Power Citrus Cleaner right here. And I also have the original Purple Power, which you can see that I've used dang near almost the whole bottle. So I pull these back and move the towels. And the towels are just 2 18 packs of, washcloths. So these are the solutions that I have. at the moment. I use Purple Power quite a bit. I've used Purple Power to get to degrease upholstery. I'm a mechanic, so I get in and out of my personal vehicle all the time with grease on my hands, oil, diff fluid, and all kinds of things. And every once in a while I need to clean the upholstery and my steering wheel and everything else, and Purple Power has worked amazing for that. Purple Power does eat paint, just so you know. So be careful on the Purple Power. Will eat the clear coat off of aluminum rims as well. It eats clear coat, it eats paint, so be very careful with that. Works great on upholstery. Same with the citrus cleaner. It does eat paint, just not as bad. Super Clean, I've noticed, does eat paint, but it's not as bad as Purple Power. If you dilute it, it might work a little better, might not be so corrosive to paint. Simple Green, from using it today, like 5 minutes before this video, it is amazing on clear coat. It's on rims, aluminum rims, steel rims. It's amazing on paint, automotive paint, your vehicle paint. It's not corrosive, that I've noticed. And these are the reason I gave it a test, because I don't believe I've ever used Simple Green. I think my wife may have used it, but this is what came off of the rim from the diff fluid and everything when that leak happened. This was just the final rag of the quick cleaning. I'll show you real quick. I have the rim sitting right here out front. So I had to clean the tire and the rim inside and out because ran the truck, it blew a bearing, blew a rear axle bearing, and that caused diff fluid to just puke out while the truck was sitting overnight, and it puked out and it dribbled down the side of the tire, just kind of like this water is right here. Turn the light on. Basically did that, where it just dribbled out. But I wiped this whole tire down, the tread, everything, because there was a spot on the tire, and you can see it did get the grease out. This is not greasy, didn't take any paint off. What paint is missing was missing already, started fading, but it did a very good job. I was actually impressed. I don't expect the tire to be like beautiful, it's drying right here. It's still dirty, but it's not greasy. And you can see right here, this is where it started dribbling out. So right here and right here, this is where the diff fluid started dribbling down the tire, because this section of the tire was facing on the ground. So right here, it's nice and smooth. There's nothing sticky. It didn't clean it all out of the tire, because the tire soaked it in, which I'm not mad about. I don't care. It's an off-road truck. I use it for off-road things. I just wanted to get as much of the diff residue as possible off. And the reason I haven't put the tire back on is I'm waiting for another wheel cylinder. This one is definitely bad. I gotta put all the fluid back into the system. I did already finish this guy, but this inner seal is spinning. This dust seal is spinning, but I can turn it and it's nice and smooth again. This does wobble a little bit. This plate right here, it does wobble like this a little bit. So I don't know if when that bearing blew, I don't know if it slightly bent or deformed the shaft. But I'm trying to source a new inner axle shaft right now. And I didn't put the brake shoes back on it because of that. I was thinking of putting the rim back on here, but I wanted to make sure that all the diff fluid and all the brake fluid and everything was off the rim before I put it back on. Drop the truck back to the ground. This is what's left, and it got really cold. So this diff fluid is very cold. It's somewhere in the range of 40 degrees out here right now. This bearing is bad. It's bad enough that I can tell. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's bad. It's probably gonna blow soon. You can hear how bad it is. So it's a good thing I got the parts to do both sides. That side, the passenger side, is done. Just want to give you guys an update. It is done, but I don't feel comfortable with how this dust boot seal has come about 1/4 of an inch out of the housing. So I'm going to end up taking this back off, pressing everything off, repressing everything back on. I'm waiting for some tools to show up. I ended up buying a different type of slide hammer. I'm waiting for that to show up. I'm waiting for some specialized seal grease for that spot on the truck for Toyota, and a couple other things to show up, and they'll be here like Friday, which is tomorrow, and like Tuesday or something. So, but I do, if you guys are interested, let me know. I can always, you know, I can probably pick up another rubber bucket or whatever, and for my dogs, and then just let one of the buckets get extremely nasty, because they, you know, they drink out of it even though they shouldn't. But my dogs love jumping in the water, so that's where the sliminess comes in, because dirt and anything that they have on them gets in the water. If you guys want to see a comparison, let me know, because the bucket was 100% worse than I had cleaned it before. I just kept filling it. I had no time to deal with the bucket, and I just kept filling it for a couple months, you know, giving them water, and it got really slimy. It got really full of algae. The algae was probably somewhere in the range of about 1 inch thick on the entire bucket. That light died. Oh, this light died. And so I do know that Super Clean works amazing on algae. I do know that Purple Power works amazing on upholstery. So and I know right this minute Simple Green is not corrosive like Purple Power or Super Clean is. Purple Power is extremely corrosive. You leave it on an aluminum rim with clear coat for more than 20 seconds, your clear coat is gone. Super Clean is corrosive. It's not as corrosive to clear coat and stuff like that as Purple Power. I didn't push Super Clean any further than I think like a minute before I had issues, and I tested these on my own personal rims that the clear coat was already messed up anyways, and Super Clean is corrosive to clear coat as well, just not as quick as Purple Power. Simple Green is not corrosive from what I've seen to paint, aluminum rims, clear coat, or anything else. It worked extremely well. It got the slimy, greasy feeling off the rims pretty quick, within about 5 minutes or so. A couple rags and quick cleaning. It's Simple Clean is also not corrosive to normal paints, because if I spray Windex on this cart and wipe the Windex away, the orange paint peel, it physically smears off on the rag. This is not affecting the paint, which is shocking, because I've tried everything. Even soap and water makes this orange paint come off on the rag. So this paint is very sensitive on this cart, and well, you know, it's probably sensitive because I got 6 billion scratches all over it, because I use this as my workbench as well as my video table and everything else. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I did use Simple Green way before I even started the video, 5-10 minutes before I started the video. Afterwards, I just sprayed the tire and rim down with some water, and then I took this white rag and I wiped it off just to get any simple green residue off. It works amazing. So that is nice if anybody needs, you know, that type of information. If you need, you know, something to clean paint or something like that, Purple Power is not a good idea. Purple Power is not a good idea on rims either, especially any rims or vehicles that have, you know, paint that you want to protect. It will destroy clear coats. Citrus cleaner is not as bad with the clear coats and stuff because it's got citrus in it, but it can. Fresh orange scent, it can physically destroy, it can orange peel headlights too. Purple Power can make the orange peel come up. So if you guys want me to do a video comparison, let me know. By the time you guys see this video, it will be probably 5 or 6 months from now, so should be plenty of time for the dog's water bucket to get kind of messy. And I have a couple buckets back there, so it's not like they're drinking out of one bucket. There's two 30-gallon buckets, 50-gallon buckets back there. Yeah, 50-gallon buckets. So I do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will leave, there's a link at the top of the description for Ulsa Tools. If you guys need anything from them, Toolbox Organization, they have great supply of that stuff. They have some great hand tools as well, very well made. Get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. It also kicks me back 10% off my next order at Ulsa Tools when you do use the link. Helps save you money, helps save me money when you use it. If you guys need it, it's there for you. If you don't need it, no big deal. But if you do use it, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!